Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question that's been cracking people up for years. White egg versus brown egg. What's difference? Are brown eggs really healthier? Does the color affect taste or nutrition, or is it all just a myth? In this video, we'll break down the facts and uncover the real differences between these two eggs. So stick around because you might be surprised by what we find out. Egg color and chicken breeds. The primary reason for the color difference between white and brown eggs is the breed of the chicken. White eggs typically comes from chickens with white feathers and white earlobes, like the Leghorn breed. Brown eggs, on the other hand, are usually laid by chickens with red or brown feathers and red earlobes, such as Rhode Island Reds. The pigment responsible for the brown coloring is called protoporphyrin, and it's added during the egg formation process. Interestingly, there are even blue and green eggs produced by certain chicken breeds like the Araucana. But today, we're focusing on the common white and brown varieties.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Nutritional value. Is there a difference? Now that most people want to know, does the color of an egg impact nutritional value? The short answer is no. White and brown eggs are virtually identical when it comes to nutrition. Both contain about 70 calories, 6 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and are rich in essential vitamins and minerals like B12, riboflavin, and selenium. The color of the shell doesn't affect the egg's protein content, fat levels, or any of its nutritional goodness. So whether you choose white or brown eggs, you're getting the same nutrients. Taste and cooking performance. But what about taste? Some people swear that brown eggs taste richer or more flavorful than white eggs. However, in blind taste tests, most people can't detect any difference in flavor between the two. The taste of an egg is more influenced by the chicken's diet rather than the color of the shell. Chickens fed on more varied diets such as organic or pasture-raised hens may produce eggs that taste slightly different. But it's not because the eggs are brown or white. Both types of eggs cook and perform similarly in all your favorite recipes, from frying to baking. Health and eggshell strength. Another common myth is that brown eggs have stronger shells than white eggs. While it's true that shell thickness can vary, this has more to do with the age of the chicken rather than the color of the egg. Younger hens tend to lay eggs with thicker shells, while older hens lay eggs with thinner shells. Whether the egg is white or brown has little to do with its strength. Sustainability and ethical considerations. For many consumers, today the choice between white and brown eggs extends beyond mere aesthetics or price. People are becoming more concerned with how the chickens are raised, whether they are cage-free, pasture-raised, or fed organic diets. These factors can have a more significant impact on both the nutritional quality and ethical considerations of the eggs you choose, regardless of color. So it's important to look beyond the shell color and consider how the eggs were produced. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which type of egg you prefer, white or brown. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more food facts and fun content. Until next time, keep cracking open the truth.